In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your Binance account. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the official Binance website on your browser. Make sure you are using the real Binance platform before entering your account details because fake websites and apps can try to steal your login information. Once you are on the login screen, tap or click Login. Binance will ask you to enter the email address or phone number connected to your account. Type it carefully, then enter your password. If your account is connected to Google, Apple, or another supported login method, you may also see options to continue using those services. Choose the same login method you used when you created your Binance account. After entering your login details, tap Login or Continue. Binance may ask you to complete a quick security check, such as sliding a puzzle, confirming that you are not a robot, or approving the login from a trusted device. Next, you may need to complete two-factor authentication. This can include an email code, SMS code, authenticator app code, passkey, or biometric confirmation, depending on your security settings. Open the correct app or inbox, get the code, and enter it before it expires. If the code does not arrive, wait a moment and check that your internet connection is working. Also check your spam or junk folder for email codes, and make sure your phone has signal if you are waiting for an SMS code. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the login page. Binance will guide you through resetting it using your email, phone number, and security verification. Once your login is successful, you will be taken to your Binance account dashboard or home screen. From there, you can check your wallet, buy crypto, trade, deposit, withdraw, and manage your security settings. For extra safety, avoid logging in on public devices or shared Wi-Fi. Also, never share your password, verification codes, or authenticator codes with anyone. And that's how you log into your Binance account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.